Hi, welcome everyone. So first thing I want to say is that be safe. That is the most important thing right now. You and your whole family, your friends, everyone stay at home. Don't go outside. And whenever it is very required, go outside with proper precautions. As you know, wear mask and everything. Take sanitizers. So that is very important. You know the situation right now, and also it is very important that you don't get thinking that what will happen, this is the situation. Don't get demotivated or something. Put your focus into studies. Take breaks, watch some movies, do some meditation, or go for a walk to your terrace only with a mask on. Don't go outside. I won't suggest that. Go to a terrace only, and this all you can do to keep yourself a bit like active. So you don't get like frustrated. I am studying a whole day. That is not humanly possible. I have told you. So we have to coming to our studies. We have done till trees, but now someone in my last video told that in this like maximum number of nodes in an AVL tree of height h. So I have told you the formula 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. So he or she told me that it is better to do the derivation and not to remember the formula. So I don't suggest that because it is time taking and all, but I will show you the derivation. So let's get started. So number 1, let's say maximum number of nodes, number of nodes of height h equals to 0. If height is 0, so if height is 0, so let's see, this is 0, okay, just a simple node is present and the height is 0. So maximum number of nodes will be 1, right? Just a single node. Then maximum number of nodes if height h is 1. So height is 1 now. So now let's see, 1, 2 and 3. This is our maximum number of node. So it is 1 plus 2 to the power 1. Let's say 2 to the power 1 means 2 plus 1 means it is 3. Coming, it is as 3. Then maximum number of nodes if height h is 2. So if height is now 2 increased to 2, so what will be our maximum number of nodes? So let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So 1, 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2. 1 plus 2 to the power 1 means 1, 2 to the power 2 means 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. So here. So like this it is coming, it will go on, okay. So not like this with 2, 3, in this way it will go on. So 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, like this it will go on. So this is our GP series. I have already told you how GP series works in one of my previous videos, so please go and watch that if you are having any problems here. So this is our GP series formula. Just directly I am putting the formula here, so it will come as, so the formula I have told you, I have just derived, I have done nothing, just derived it. So I don't know if this is feasible to do in your exam. I have just shown you how it is done. So now I will do the minimum, how in the same way how the minimum number of nodes are found out. So now the same way, what is our next thing is minimum number of nodes in an AVL tree of height h. So now we have to find the minimum number of nodes here. So now let's see, number of nodes minimum in height is, let's say, 0. So height is 0, just one node can be present. This is 0, okay, and this is just a node of a tree, just as let's say it is here, so you don't get confused here. So number 2, number of nodes minimum height is 1. So if height is 1, how can you do the minimum number? So it is an AVL tree and you have just one node. If you put another node here, it will not be the minimum number of nodes, so just 1. So here 2, this is 1. Number of nodes minimum height is 2. So put another here, but it is not balanced, so you have to put here. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. No, actually it was balanced, right? 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, so it was balanced. So here 1 2 3 4 was a number. So in this way it will go on. Okay, so now we know that n of h is equals to n h minus 1 plus 1 plus n h minus 2. So this is our recurrence relation. With the help of this, you can it can ask, say, like 7, when the height is 7, what will be the minimum number of nodes. So in this way it is not feasible to do like how we will do the 7 like this. It's not possible. It is possible, but it will take a lot of time and you don't have time in GATE. You have to do everything in a quick way, but in correctly also. So this relation, recurrence relation, it will, with the help of practice, you will be easily able to do it. So this is all about maximum and minimum. So now we will continue with graphs and hashing. I hopefully can complete it soon. So let's get started with graphs and trees, hashing now.